So for this video, I've partnered with BYJU'S for a big surprise for all of you guys. So watch the video till the end to know that surprise and enjoy the video. In this video, we are going to talk about BYJU'S counseling and what are the questions which they ask and how you should answer the BYJU'S home demo or the counseling sessions. Currently, due to pandemic, it's happening online, but soon after the pandemic ends and all the people are vaccinated, BYJU'S will soon be resuming their home counseling. And these are the 5 things which you need to consider before answering this home demo or the counseling session by BYJU'S. So currently all the BYJU'S mentors take a Zoom class, and on that Zoom class they take the test of your child, and if you're a student, they will test your marks and your ability to answer the questions. And this is how you should face. First is that please verify that if any BYJU'S counselor is connecting with you, it's not a fraud. I've already made a dedicated video on how to check if a BYJU'S counselor is fraud or not. You can watch it by clicking on the I button, and also there is a link in description. Because with any good thing, there is always a bad thing. There are so many people who are portraying themselves as so-called BYJU'S counselors and calling any person or people who are signing up on the BYJU'S app. So if you are recently signed up on the BYJU'S app, they will call you, and please verify that if it's a fraud counselor or not. They will tell you that you are getting some discount, and they are not actual BYJU'S counselors, but they will tell you that you are getting so 50% discount and you have got 50% scholarship, and they will take your money and run away. They will not answer any of your calls. The second thing is, what are the questions which BYJU'S counselor will ask you in the home demo or the counseling session? Actually, these questions are very much secret, and there are a variety of questions which they ask. They ask some people some different questions, they ask some students a different questions. So I can't give you these 5 questions that you should prepare this and answer a BYJU'S counseling session. They can ask you any questions related to your syllabus. And the third thing is that please don't study theory. They will not ask you any theory, such as they will not ask you how many bones are there in the human body. They will ask you which is the main component in the bones. They will ask you practical based questions, and they will not ask you any theory based questions. So learn wisely, don't by heart all the things. The fourth thing which you need to consider before going for a counseling call is that you should be very much confident, and they will not ask you much tough questions. Trust me, I have gone through the same phase which you are struggling with. The first problem which occurs is that you are very much nervous, like it's your final exam or something. Please don't be nervous. Please face the counseling session very proudly and confidently. The mainly counseling session will happen with your parents and with you. So be confident and answer all the things clearly. If you have studied your syllabus wisely, you will answer most of the questions. And I think it's a very easy exam, and it's a very easy counseling session. You will clear it like anything. Please trust me. So the main focus should be practical based, and I think that is the main thing which is common in BYJU'S counseling sessions. Please don't fear. They will ask you very much easy questions. And also there is one aptitude round where they will test your brain, how much intelligent you are, and they will ask you some of the questions which I also don't know. They are very much different for each and everybody. They will ask you some practical based questions and test how you answer and how you tackle with that question. Some of the quiz and analytical questions, they will test your brain, how much do you analyze things up, and according to that they will send you a report on your mail, or they will tell you that you have scored this much in analytical thinking, you have scored this much in maths and science, and accordingly they will guide you on the courses. So the fourth thing is that be confident and don't fear while answering your counseling session. And the fifth and most important thing is that if you want to know what kind of questions will be asked, please visit your BYJU'S app or the BYJU'S premium app which is there in your tablet. If you have not purchased this, please visit the normal BYJU'S app which is in the Play Store. Please create an account. You will get some free trial, and you can visit some of the questions and quizzes. You only need to study such kind of questions, practical based questions. So if you want an idea on how the questions will be asked, please refer to your BYJU'S app. Some of the questions asked are the same questions which are asked in the counseling session. And finally, you should answer the BNET scholarship test, and it's a must for everybody. You can try your luck and get some good scholarship from BYJU'S. So if you want to answer the BNET test, there is always a dedicated video I have made. You must watch that video before answering the BNET test. So answer the BNET test, you can get some discount on your courses based on your results. First 100 students get free tablets, and the 1000th rank person gets some 80% or 70% discount based on your performance. It's completely based on your performance. So I think I would suggest you to answer the BYJU'S BNET scholarship test. The links are in description. You can always watch my detailed video on the same. So these were the 5 important things if you are facing difficulty in BYJU'S home counseling or the free demo which they give you. So for this video I have partnered with BYJU'S to give you an amazing surprise, and the surprise is that you will get a free career counseling from BYJU'S mentors. Yes, you heard it right. So there will be a number and a Google form link in description. You have to fill that Google form, and you can also call BYJU'S on that number. Here you will get a chance to win a free BNET scholarship. Also you will get all the career counseling needed and all your queries will be solved. Also if you buy any of the BYJU'S courses from that link, you will get 5 to 8% discount based on which courses you are buying. So don't waste time, click on the link in description. Also you have to fill the Google form and you will be eligible for this big discount. So I think you are very much confident now to face the BYJU'S counseling session. All the best to you. Thank you so much for watching this video. This is Jayant signing off. Please subscribe to my channel as I make interesting educational videos related to business, case studies, tech videos. Sometimes I make analytical explanatory videos on this channel. If you have any query related to BYJU'S, Vedantu, Unacademy and various other competitive exams, or any other query, please write in the comment section. You can always connect with me over Instagram. My ID is @Jayant Apte 25. Please connect me over Instagram. And that was the video. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.